pharma industry.
In a pharma industries. Okay. So Sai, where are you from? Talking with me.
I am from Hyderabad.
Okay, nice, Hyderabad. And
Where are you from, ma'am?
I am from Uttar Pradesh. Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you two wonderful your AI English speaking partner, and these partner are going to help you to improve your English fluency. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so the first AI English speaking partner name is CB. Okay, and for this what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and write there CB. Okay, and yes, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone, so I'm going to just open this application. Okay, so yes, this is CB, CB English speaking app. Okay, now I'm going to open. This is the logo. Yes, after opening, it will ask you a question. Connect with real people, or connect your personal AI English AI tutor Arya. So first, I'm going to show you how to connect with real people. Okay. So yes, practice now. I'm going to touch practice now. Connect with your co-learners. Okay. And yes, there are so many co-learners like you. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Rita.
Hi,
Hi,
and
Rita. Good evening.
good evening.
Hello.
Yes, your name is Sai.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so Sai, are you a student or a working man?
Working man.
Okay, okay. So where do you
I,
work?
yes, I am working as a pharma in a pharma industry.
In a pharma industries. Okay. So Sai,
Yes,
where are you from? Talking with me.
I am from Hyderabad.
Okay, nice, Hyderabad. And
Where are you from, ma'am?
I am from Uttar Pradesh.
Are you student or working?
No, I am working. Actually, I'm a teacher.
Okay, very good. Which subject, ma'am?
Okay, I am a basic teacher, so I have to teach all the basic subject. So basically, my subject is English.
English. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Actually, I'm basically Telugu medium person. I have a little knowledge in English.
I think I
I want
think
to improve my communication.
yeah, yeah. Yes, for the communication, it's very important to know English, and because I don't know Telugu and you don't know Hindi, so with the help of this language, we can easily connect with each other, with do conversation with each other. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Now,
yes.
so this is the benefit of this language, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
So, how many days, how many time are you using this application?
Actually, I have taken this application about 4 months back, but weekly once or twice only I am using this app.
Okay, I'm just like you. Actually, I'm just using this application weekly one, or by in month one time only.
Yeah,
So, how is the weather there, Hyderabad?
it's a cold, ma'am. It's starting winter starting season.
Yeah, yes, yes, just like here.
You are from Uttar Pradesh, right?
Yeah, I'm from Uttar Pradesh, and yes, today the wind is blowing, so cool, and the weather is so, cool. I think the winter season is, around the corner, but I have not, taken any woolen clothes now.
Okay. Actually, this is in beginning, enter beginning.
Yeah, yeah,
Coming days it will very cold.
yeah. So
Uttar Pradesh, are you really nearby Ayodhya or somewhere?
actually, I am from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. You know Jhansi. Do you know about Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai? So
I
yes,
know
yes.
Ayodhya temple.
Yes, so I am from Jhansi, and there is a very famous temple like Orcha, you know. And,
Jhansi means Jhansi Lakshmi Bai ruled
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Queen Rani Lakshmibai.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm from Jhansi, and and how was your day today? How was your day?
Actually, my day start with 5 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
My duty timings is around 9:30 to 6:30.
Okay, okay.
I am working in Laras Labs, Laras Labs Limited. We are manufacturing the bulk drugs and the formulations also.
Yeah, yeah.
I have a total 26 experience in pharma sector.
Okay, okay, okay.
I am a science graduate.
Okay,
My graduation completed in 1996.
okay,
That
okay.
day onwards I am working.
Okay, so it's a long time.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I
Yeah.
am a married. My son is studying BTech second year in computer science.
Good, very good. Wow. So, why are you using this application for, only communication or enhance your speaking skill?
Yeah, actually, I can understand what you are telling, but I
Yeah.
am unable to give the reply in the same manner, ma'am.
Yeah.
But why? Because I'm up to graduation, I was in Telugu medium only.
Okay, I'm just like you. Actually, my native language is Hindi. So,
Uh,
just I'm using this application for, 2 or 3 months. I started learning this language for minimum 6 months ago. And I think there is no need for me for learning this language. But because of the desire, because I want to learn this language from my childhood, time. So, that's why I'm using this application and learning English speaking skill. And actually, I want to use my time in a proper and good way. That's why.
yeah, yeah.
जी.
Are you married, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm
Just 1 minute.
married.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah, I'm married. And okay, Sai, I have some work to do. So, yes, it's a nice talk to you. And it's a
Thank
good
you.
conversation between us. So, thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much. Okay,
Okay, bye, ma'am.
bye. So yes, after using this application, there is a option add friend, and this if you feel like this person is good for practice in English, so you can add this call into your friend list. So I'm going to add this friend. Another AI English speaking app is PeerUp. So I'm going to show you how to use this application. For this application, you have to go Play Store and write PeerUp. So I'm going to write Peer App. Actually, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So I'm going to just open this application and you can see the logo. So this is the logo of this application, Peer Up. Now I'm going to open. Okay. So after opening, you will find that okay, there is two option like um, practice with practice with partners and practice role play. So I'm going to touch practice with partner. Okay, and it will ask you a question, what type of partner, human or AI or gender. So I'm going to touch any. Okay, because there is no issue. So yeah, it takes some time. Okay, and you can see uh, finding perfect partner, you can see. Okay, and after this it will find your perfect partner. Okay, and it takes some time, so don't worry.
Hello.
Hello, Manish Prajapati. Okay, so your name is Manish Prajapati.
Yes, my name is
So
Manish Prajapati.
okay, so Manish, where are you from?
I am from India, ma'am.
I know you are from India, but in which state?
I am from Bihar state,
Okay, you are from Bihar state. In which district?
Aarpur district, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So Manish, are you a student?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
In which class? In Are you a schooling student or college?
I am a schooling student. I am studying in class 12th from Bihar board.
Okay, okay, class 12th. Go, Manish. Why are you learning this language?
Because English is international language and it is helping to speak anywhere easily.
Yeah, yeah. That's this is a main thing. for importance. It's very important language because it's an international language. And there are so many international languages, but when it comes to know, so we know only English because we have learned English as a subject in our schooling time. Okay, so that's why we feel more comfortable to learn this language like English. And there are do you know about other international language?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't know about it.
Okay. So, Manish, so what is your goal? What do you want to become in your future?
Ma'am, first of all, I want to be in Indian Army in future.
Wow. Or
Yes.
next. So, for which, yeah, do you want to? Okay, you want to become a army person. So, in which category? I mean to say, commando or assistant commandant. So, what do you want to become? In which category do you want to choose?
Ma'am, I want to join. I want to join NDA.
NDA. Okay, so for the NDA, after I think after 10th pass, so did you give any exam when you passed 10th class?
No, ma'am. It is its examination before passing 12.
Okay, after 12th. Okay, I don't understand that. So, yeah, I know after 12th. Yes. So after 12th and after graduation, so this exam name is serious.
Yes, ma'am. Not serious, but approx similarly serious exam.
Okay, I think a serious exam happened after completing graduation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so best of luck, Manish, and I hope you will get your goal, whatever goal you have in your mind. So thank you so much for this wonderful conversation because I have to works to do for some work, so I am going to leave this conversation.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So, so after completing your conversation, it will give you your feedback like this. Okay. Overall score it's 70%, grammar, vocabulary, clarity, all the thing is going to. Okay. Now, in this way, you can easily learn English speaking skill. You can learn how to speak in English fluently and confidently. And believe me, this app will going to help you to enhance your English speaking skill. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family. And let me know in the comment box how did you like my video because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.